Hi guys, I'm Kieran Tudor and I'm expert hairstylist for Centred.
Hi, I'm Laura Tudor, founder of Centred.
So today we are bringing you a really easy tutorial on how to create a work from home look inspired by the Chanel Couture show for Spring Summer 2021. It's all about a centre parting, you can see our inspiration. It's about high shine and the hair looking really quality, and then it's just a really simple low slung ponytail. So it's an easy to achieve work from home look, but we're just making it that sort of Chanel and we're elevating it a little bit. And we're going to teach you how you can achieve it at home. So step one is all about the prep of the hair, and we have washed Laura's hair with the Daily Calmer shampoo and conditioner because, as I said, this look is all about shine and hydration. And then what we're going to do is we're going to apply our Unwind Detangling Primer, which is like a very lightweight moisturising spray. It's great for prepping the hair before you blow dry it or if you want to air dry the hair, but it has conditioning agents and it has glycerin and vitamin E, so it's great for just adding shine and protection. And I'm going to be quite liberal with how much I put on because, as I say, it's all about shine.
And the detangler smells absolutely amazing. It kind of doubles up as a hair perfume as well, so you'll definitely smell the fragrance throughout the day.
So step two is going to be establishing a centre parting, which is key for this look. So I'm pushing the hair back towards the hairline, and you can see it wants to split, and then you can have a look and see that's pretty central. What you can do is take a pintail comb, which is just a comb but with a metal pin tail, and then you can use your eye line and then you can sort of draw it in. Okay, now we've put our centre parting in, we're going to get the hair nice and dry and nice and smooth at the same time. So now the hair is nice and dry, step three is going to be using the flat irons. If your hair is straight already, you don't necessarily need to do this step, but we're just going to use the irons just to get the hair nice and polished for Laura. Step four, we're going to start to brush the hair into the low ponytail. Now I'm using a soft cushion brush. It's a soft bristle cushion brush which adds shine to the hair, and it's really good for gathering the ponytail together. So obviously brushing away from the parting, keeping it flat to the head and into that sort of nape of the neck area at the back. Maybe I'll spin you around a little bit. So everything is working away from the face and into the nape of the neck, and you can get rid of any bumps that you get on the head. Okay, so my top tip, once I've got the ponytail in the kind of area I want, I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray and I'm going to use what's called a primping brush, but you can actually use a toothbrush. And when the hairspray has just gone on, you can use that just to collect all the little stray hairs. So now we've got the placement of the ponytail, and because we want to reduce breakage, we're actually using our bamboo silk bob. It's a lot kinder on the hair, there's a lot less tension. So I'm going to go in, and we may only get two, possibly three. Tip to get that nice and tight is to just split the ponytail and pull it and get a nice tight there. And voila, there is our Chanel Couture inspired low slung ponytail, perfect for taking your work from home hair to that next level.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this, or follow us on Instagram at WeAreCentred for more expert tips and tricks.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.